On YouTube you are. Alright, it's rolling.
Rolling.
We're live.
We're hot, Christian. We're hot.
Say that again?
We're hot.
Heck
Rolling.
yes we are, man.
Rolling live.
Yeah. Just living the dream.
What the heck happened to my head sock? Are you wearing my head sock?
Oh, shit, am I? No, mine's white. Mine's white. You're fine.
Where's mine?
Taking your helmet.
No, what the heck? It's not the end of the world, but like, where did it go?
Oh no, that's bad. Maybe it went under here?
Ah, whatever. I'll use it later.
Yeah, you're fine.
I can take the one off my foot.
Wait, no. Is mine white here? Is this it's white?
Yeah,
that's mine. That's mine then. Yeah.
Huh?
You want Daniel to go up in the flag center?
Nah.
Daniel Parkley.
Oh, you can't do it?
Oh wait, my gloves. Let me put my gloves on real quick.
I'll talk to you later. I just got off the phone.
Ready?
Son.
Alright.
Yes, sir, Nate.
Here we go.
I was hoping we could do some burnouts, but we got to save the tires for everybody else, so.
I don't care. I just want to go fast. Unless you're kidding.
No, I wish I was kidding.
All right.
Hey, Christian, we can do burnouts on Saturday.
Absolutely. All right, Dad, Dad, get ready.
All right, you ready, dude?
All right, instead of saying Need for Speed, since I watched Mario, let's go.
That was pretty good.
Let's go.
All right, let's do it.
Hey, Dad, Dad, get ready. We're gonna go.
I guess you could go up with the radio.
That was
pilot.
amazing, man.
That better be better than when riding with Ryder, huh?
Yeah, whatever, dude.
All right, whatever.
Oh, come on. You have fun, Christian?
Oh, come on. I have the best fun, dude. That was great.
Come on out. Come on out.
Someone's got to get the video, too.
Yep.
Mikey, tell Tanny that this one's for Christian.
Okay.
Like he doesn't need to worry about it.
Right.